In front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M31s. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter settings and let's go to display. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change between light and dark mode. Or we can schedule our dark mode. Also we can enable adaptive color filter. Then we can change brightness level, enable or disable adaptive brightness, eye comfort shield. We can change screen mode between vivid and natural, and also we can change white balance. And next, adjust our font size and style. Screen zoom. Full screen apps. And screen timeout between 15 seconds or 10 minutes. Next, we can enable and disable edge panels. Adjust navigation bar between buttons, swipe gestures, we can enable and disable gesture hints, and show button to hide keyboard. Then we've got accidental touch protection, touch sensitivity, show charging informations, and screensaver. And that's all for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.